Welcome to the Moorhead Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a Buhler 6072 in very good condition. This round baler produces 5x6 foot bales and features a fixed bale chamber and standard pickup, along with electric double tie and 1000 PTO. Thank you for viewing this Buhler 6072. Interested in this round baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.